Press the dimple button and select t60 to enter the key data. Press decoder then the original key can open cylinder. Fix the original key on top level of the dimple clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press decode button to start decoding original key and get the key numbers. Press Get button to enter cutting page. Fix the new key blank on top level of the dimple clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Get button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting side A. Done with side, open the safe gate to clean the clamp and the new key. Take out the new key. Put side B on the dimple clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Cut button to start cutting side B. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting side B. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate to clean the clamp and new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing.